Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Joey Cordero Chavit po. Sa ngayon mga kaibigan, i-discover natin sa loob ng Baluarte dito sa...
Pwede bang mag-hi kay Corky? Hi! Okay, now Corky here is no ordinary pig. Aside from native of Cambodia and China, they rank number 5 when it comes to intelligence. So we could see the function like any other dog. Now let's do a demonstration on the Vigan's behavior. That's the C. And there goes the way down. We do breeding with these remarkable animals and describe the main needs to look at the animal's physical and mental well-being. Now is his favorite, the fetching behavior. There goes the stick. And there goes Corky. Let's try that one more time. One fascinating fact about pot-bellied pig is they have a highly keen sense of smell. Okay, here's another variation. Get the basket. Corky went to the market and waving all the way home. Good job, Corky. Now what he found out that Corky here has an artistic skills in painting. Okay, but first, he needs some warm up. Corky turn his left. Okay, if there's a left, there's a right. And round, Corky goes. And I think it's pretty warm up. And every artist has their own style show. But for Corky, he uses some sounds, slides, and all artistic pretty motion. Okay, let's start the first color, green. The color of nature. Good choice. Okay, remember, he's an artist and he knows what he's doing. Okay, very good. For second color, orange, the color of the tigers. And the paint that Corky is using is a non-toxic water-based paint. And it is same paint what our kids uses at school. Okay, let's take a break for a moment and we will show you how we train Corky's speed painting. First, we let him understand that every time he does a good job, he gets reward. So let's say we have a hand target and every time Corky touches the hand target that he is most, he gets reward. Even if the hand target goes up, down, left, or right, he gets a reward. And the reward is something that he like. Of course, that's food. But sometimes, we give him a pat or a good rub down. But training can be more fun and exciting. In this way, we build a relationship based on trust. And the next step, let him hold the brush. We open up the mouth, put the brush in. Very easy, huh? But it works well with an eyelid, of course. Okay, what's the next color? Yellow. The color of the sun. Okay, few more strokes. Okay, good boy. Now for the last and the finishing touches. Red. And this is Sir Chavit's favorite color. Okay, now let's see if our artist is done. Corky, are you finished? Wait, he's still checking. And I think it's done. Not quite a Michelangelo, but more of Picasso's work of art. Ladies and gentlemen, big art. Okay, good everybody. Ay, paalam ka na, Corky. Thank you so much, and please stand to the BALUARTE ZOO show. Okay, once again, good afternoon and welcome to the BALUARTE Animal Encounter Show, where we meet animals from all around the world. So, gusto niyo po bang humawak ng exotic animals? Yes. Okay, so tatawag po ako ng volunteer. If you're interested, raise your hand. So, tatawag ako ng ladies first volunteer. Yes, ma'am. Okay, good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to in BALUARTE ZOO. Okay, so what's your name? Ali. Taga saan po si Ma'am Ali? Kain Parisal. Okay, ma'am. So, para sa'yo, ang gagawin mo lang, ma'am, para ma-meet ang first animal friend, tatayo ka lang po ng diretsyo. Okay, at meron po kaming ipapakilala a friend from Indonesia. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Cracker. Okay, ma'am, so gusto mo wag ma-meet si Cracker? Yes. Simple lang, ma'am. Makikipag-handshake on your right hand. Yes. Just like that. Okay, kay Cracker? Handshake with Cracker. Okay. So, kayong magkaibigan na kayo ni Cracker, and by the way, si Kuya Eds. Okay? Gusto ka naman daw niyang i-kiss sa cheek. So, haharap ka sa audience at yuko. And kiss. Okay. A handshake, kiss on the cheek. How about this time? On the lips. So, ngayon, mamili ka sa bird o kay Kuya Eds. Sa bird, okay? So, show your pouted lips to Cracker. Sige, kiss. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to our first volunteer. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ganito lang po. Relax ka lang daw. Okay, meron po kami ilalagay na anima sa kamay mo. Huwag bibitawan. And princess, ready? Okay, from Australia, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea, the flying squirrel. AKA the sugar glider. Now, sugar glider here is a small marsupial, and they call marsupial because they have pouch to carry their young. So, lumalaki sila up to 6 inches. And they got their name sugar to the food they eat. Mahilig sila sa sweets. And the word glide is they have the ability to glide. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, the flying squirrel. Okay, at syempre bigyan po natin ulit ng palakpakan ng ating brave volunteer. Another volunteer. Next. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ready? Ilalabas yung animal hanggat hindi ka ready. Okay? From the Southeast Asia. Let's make spot. The medium size raptor. Okay, sir, malaki sila 55 to 75 centimeters. Also known sa crested serpent eagle, as its English and scientific name suggests. And they are reptile eater as they hunt lizards and snakes. And when they're on branches, kapag kakamalan silang kwago or cow because of the large size. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, the crested serpent eagle. Okay, sa palakpakan po natin ulit ang ating brave volunteer. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. The smallest python in the world. And this is the ball python, also known as the royal or the crown python. And they got their name as a crown python because they used it as royalties in ancient Egyptian. And this python here is a non-venomous creature. So ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan ko natin ulit ang ating brave volunteer. Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am March. Yes? Ay, gusto mo mag-volunteer? Sige, mas nauna ka lang. Sunod ka na lang, Ma'am. Okay, halika. Okay, good afternoon. Anong pangalan? Boa. So the differences between pythons and boas give life birth to their young, and unlike pythons lay eggs. And one fascinating fact about boa is they have the longest teeth of all among the snake. And this boa here is a non-venomous as well. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, the emerald tree boa. Okay, in the world, in pound per pound, one of the meanest animal in the country, and it requires regular contact in order to keep the tail. This is the Burmese python. So lumalaki sila 13 to 33 feet long and to weigh 200 to 300 pounds. And one fascinating fact about python is they have a poor eyesight. So malabo ang kanilang paningin. At paano nila nakikita ang kanilang pagkain or kaaway? Underneath the jaw, they have the small holes called pits, which serve as infrared scanner, and their fork-like tongue is a combination of eyesight, hearing, and their taste. So ladies and gentlemen, the Burmese python. Okay, palakpak po ulit para sa ating brave volunteer. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, moving on our last but not the least. With the feature, kailangan ko na po magtawag ng last volunteer. So, who's gonna be the last volunteer? Okay, kamay sa tuhod. From the Southeast Asia. Yoko lang, ma'am. Okay, the largest of the civet cat family and proud to say, this is a native of the Philippines, Bindi, the Palawan, Berkat, also known as Rincoron. So lumalaki sila massive 6 feet long from head to tail, and they hold pair because they can stand up perfectly with its 2 feet, and cats because of the whiskers like cats. And apart from monkey, they use their tails to feed for living. And since they are from the civet cat family, they smells like a popcorn and distinct scent of pandan. So ladies and gentlemen, the Palawan Berkat. Okay, and now folks that you've met with the animal friends, this is the right time to talk about them. Remember, animals, no matter how big or small, has the right to live this presentation. Maraming